Naruto Kayou do these really cool blister packs. They each feature one gold and black card, which is, to be honest, the reason I bought them. I bought 2 of these, one's in the next video, but and it comes with 4 packs as well. Let's get straight to it. I was finally able to open it. That was way harder to open than I thought. I hate when they pack it in these, but it takes a while to open. Comes with a little. Comes with 4 blister packs, and this card. It's so shiny that my camera's struggling to pick it up. But the black and gold on these are some of the best looking cards I've ever seen. It'll probably look even better in these sleeves, but maybe I should do clear sleeves because of how nice these are. I do hope to one day collect each one of these, but some of these blister packs are hard to get now, so I might have to buy the cards individually if I can't find them. Let's get straight to the packs now. There's 4 of them, so I'm hoping the pull rates are a lot higher on these just because there's so little of them. The price of these, depending on which LR you get, can be like almost close to your booster box, because some of them are about £11–12, but I got the TS2 Wave 7 one for around £12, so around the same price. So you got Gamakichi, Lee, we got Naruto, we got TR Kakashi, and an SR Sasuke. Nothing so far. I probably shouldn't hope for such a good card every pack, even though there's only 4, but okay, we got SR Minato. We got Ninetales Cloak Naruto TGR. Got Kakashi. At least we have had our first like hit, kind of. So we have Eureka, Sakura, Eureka again, got Sakura and a Choji. And last pack now, hope for something good. That Minato SSR is nice, but was hoping for a bit more. Kamakichi. Oh, and a UR Sasuke. Got Kimimaru, TR, and Naruto. To be fair, it's not the worst pulls. The UR got the cool exclusive LR, and the Minato. So I bought this for £5, so you can think about it. I'm spending like £2.50 each on these, but that's really cool. We have this one coming up for the next time, which is a Itachi one. I had to get this, so stay tuned for that. Bye.